Well, Vincent, we've had some M&A in the pharma sector today involving Merck, the German version, not the American version. Tell us about the deal.
Well, what Merck is doing is buying this specialty chemical company called AZ Electronic Materials. Now, as the name suggests, it's not your traditional chemical company. It's a very specialized one. AZ makes specialty chemicals that go into high-tech gadgets like iPhones and that kind of thing. So it's a pretty specialized area, and Merck already has a footprint in that area, and it's obviously bulking up there now.
So how does it fit into the wider Merck strategy?
Well, Merck has been transforming itself essentially for the last 6 or 7 years. It was a sort of classic pharma company, and it has sold a generics business and bought 2 big international pure drug businesses and bioscience businesses over the last 6 or 7 years. And at the same time, it's had what it calls its performance materials division, which makes liquid crystal displays. Merck is one of the leading makers of this very highly specialized area, and it wants AZ to sort of fit into that whole sector, which will probably represent about 20 to 25% of group sales after this transaction is completed.
And where does it leave Merck's pharma business? Is that still a big priority for it?
Well, it is. I mean, it's more than half of group revenue from its pure pharma business, but it's not doing very well. I mean, it hasn't invented drugs for a long time, and it's kind of subscale and uncompetitive. And I think that Merck really needs to address that issue, actually. But at the same time, it has always wanted to be seen as a pharma, chemicals, and company. And I think that there is a strategy there. But it's not all of its divisions are firing on all cylinders.
Well, it looks like Merck has achieved the diversification it seeks, and now it has to prove to investors that that diversification makes sense. Vincent, thank you very much.